Hey everybody, if you're rocking a Traeger Pro 780, then you're gonna love what I'm about to show you. It's our tactical stainless folding front shelf, and it's custom made to fit your grill perfectly. Not only is it American made, but it's packed with features that'll make your grilling experience that much easier. Now let's get into it. This shelf is made from premium 304 stainless steel, so it's as tough as it gets. At nearly 20% larger than your standard shelf, it's perfect for prepping, serving, and keeping your tools close by. What makes this shelf tactical is the ability to accessorize it. You can add storage trays with beer cup holders to one or both sides, or perhaps opt for the utensil hangers to keep your tools organized. Finally, a paper towel holder in the front makes tearing paper towels or butcher paper a breeze. Plus, the installation couldn't be easier. Just bolt it on using the existing shelf mounts, no drilling required, and all the hardware you need is included. You'll have it installed in about 5 minutes. Looking to upgrade your Traeger Pro 780 with this American-made tactical stainless front shelf? Then visit pimpmygrill.com or visit the link below to grab yours today. Don't forget to subscribe for more barbecue upgrades, and thanks for watching.